It is very rare, but an update may occasionally make things worse. When that happens, you can roll it back and restore your PC to the way it was before the update. The first type of update to roll back is a Windows update. Press the Windows and Instagram key combination to bring up the Settings app. Choose Update and Security, and in the Windows Update category choose View Update History. The Update History list shows you recently installed updates. Windows patches are typically available on Tuesday nights, appearing on Wednesday. Most are installed automatically, but if you experience trouble you can remove an update. Choose Uninstall Updates. Odds are good that the bad update was recent, so sort the list by the column installed on. It should be sorted that way already. So here's the most recent update for this machine. It's an update for Microsoft Word 2016. Click on that item and choose Uninstall to remove the update. If you don't see the uninstall button here, then the update cannot be rolled back in this manner. Otherwise, proceed with any directions offered on the screen. You can also roll back an update by performing a system restore. Ensure that no programs are running or files are open and unsaved. Tap the Windows key and type System Restore. Choose the item, Recovery. Open System Restore. Click the next button. Choose a restore point from the list. These items are set before critical updates, and they can also be set manually for hardware updates or anything you plan on doing with your PC. Click Next. Now to actually restore, which I will do here, click the Finish button and then sit back and watch as the process commences. Your computer will restart to complete this process. In some instances it may be necessary to run System Restore from the Recovery console or Safe mode, especially when Safe mode is the only way to use your PC after a disastrous or flawed computer update.